welcome back to the 8th installment of this Cayenne Turbo build series. We put the Akrapovic exhaust on, so just a couple updates. One, the footage we have when we shot the install got corrupted, so unfortunately we don't have the install guide for this, but what I can tell you is the fitment is top-notch. Akrapovic obviously is a great brand. It's titanium, super high quality. The exhaust essentially just slips off. You got to take a couple hangers off and it comes down, and then you just fit the Akrapovic pieces on, the nice beautiful carbon fiber tips, and it's good to go. Now this exhaust has also been discontinued by Akrapovic in this time. Something similar to look at would be potentially the Remus or the Miltech in terms of sound. But let's get into some of the sound clips so you can hear what it sounds like. Generally, some of the exhausts are going to sound fairly similar, so you should get a good feel for this. It's a little bit more of a refined system, so it's not super aggressive. We still have the stock secondary cats on the car and plan to keep it that way. But let's get some sound clips of it. So I hope you enjoyed this video of the Akrapovic exhaust system on this Cayenne Turbo. We've done pretty much most of the full bolt-ons. I don't think we're going to do the secondary bypass pipes, which are very common on this car. This is a daily driver for my wife, so with kids in the car, we just want to kind of keep it this way. Really like the sound, though. It's got a nice aggressive sound, but fairly subtle, so it's still very comfortable to cruise in with the family. And in terms of the build series itself, we're going to take a look and see if there's anything else we want to do to this car. Obviously, we've had 8 episodes highlighting some of those upgrades. Feel the car's in a really good spot for what it is. If you have any ideas that you'd like to see, definitely drop a comment below. Subscribe if you haven't done so yet. We'll also do a full build showcase of this car. We'll get it cleaned up and kind of highlight everything on it as a closeout, but might be 1 or 2 more mods we do. Sorry for the delay on this one. Took a little while putting it together. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.